We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You guys, I'm about to make Christmas breakfast. I've got some sausages, mushroom. I'm gonna prepare everything. I've already made my fruit salad to speed up the process. So now I'm gonna pop in my sausages in my oven. This is everything delicious. What we'll be having today is everything delicious as always. Everything colorful. So let's do that. Now let's stir fry the mushroom and the veggies. Daniel, come and help me to crack egg. You crack egg. I hope your hands are clean. Olive oil. The tidings we bring to you and your king. And seasoning, chili flakes.
Good tidings
We bring to you and your king. This is mushroom.
14.
You a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm going to transfer it here and make my scrambled eggs. Let's make egg. Prayer where I pray, Jehovah don't answer me. Prayer where I pray, oh. Prayer where I pray, testimony don't show. Prayer where I pray, Jehovah don't answer me. Hallelujah. Prayer where I pray, Jehovah don't answer me.
No, it actually looks good as well.
Bigger bites, right?
Yes.
Abby?
Yeah.
That's not funny.
It's fine, it's breakfast.
We ain't sponsoring you instant hot chocolate.
Look at that. Hold on. Jehovah don't do me something.
Oh,
A biggie, biggie something.
don't follow me, Jerusalem. Follow my beats, you follow my bread. Oh,
Now let's make scrambled eggs without tomato or onion. Just butter scrambled egg. Now let's make scrambled egg.
no remorse.
Scrambled eggs. Come follow me, celebrate. It's done. I want it juicy and fluffy. This is it. Off the heat and it's ready. Jehovah don't do me something. Yeah. Breakfast is ready.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Videos are so good.
Jehovah don't do me something. No.
That's pure.
This is orange juice. Biggie something. Come follow me, celebrate.
Why it's not giving orange?
Biggie something. Go and put on your time.
Be careful.
Give me bread.
Love bread.
Ooh, you bought some.
Oh yeah, I need to eat the fruit out of this thing.
Sugar, my tea, oh.
Ooh, ah.
It's airy.
Like agege bread.
No.
It's not
Agege
dense.
bread used to be heavy. How greedy. This one is airy. I like it.
It's not dense.
Yo.
Wow.
One loaf of bread.
That should totally be
So airy. I like it.
Yes, I like it too, if you like it.
This is bread.
Bread.
Follow me, celebrate.
Bread.
Butter my bread, sugar my tea, oh.
Bread.
No. Guys, we're not gonna make bread. Now let's put the sausages.
That's a flex.
It's not that hot.
It's
Wow.
not going to be hot. Everything is warm. Now the sausages. I love my life. Oh, I'm so too. Running to you.
Ego, look at luscious egg.